Hello everyone, welcome back to the chapter Respiration and Circulation of Maharashtra State Board. Before Christmas vacation, we had learned in the last lecture about conducting tissue of the heart. In today's lecture, we are going to study about conducting system of the heart. Now, we had studied in the last lecture about different conducting tissues. Basically, it consists of SA node, that is sinoatrial node, AV node, that is atrioventricular node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. Now, here is the sinoauricular node or sinoatricular node. Then it consists of atrioventricular node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. So these were the tissues we had studied. Now, today's lecture, as I said, we are going to study how all these tissues helps in proper or smooth conduction of the heart. Now we know that the heart it possesses the property of autorhythmicity. Autorhythmicity means what? It generates its own electrical impulse. Okay, the heart is myogenic. We had studied myogenic means what? Our heart it has the capacity to generate its own electrical impulse. So such heart is called as myogenic heart, and the property is called as autorhythmicity. Now, as I said, the different tissues are present. First tissue we are going to study is about SA node. Now, SA node, it is also called as sinoatrial node. And this sinoatrial node, it is present in the right atrium. We know these are the atriums. Atriums, they are the upper part of the heart or upper chambers of the heart, whereas the lower chambers, they are called as ventricles. So the first node, it is called as sinoauricular node or sinoatrial node. Now, sinoatrial node, it is basically, you can see, it is a mass of specialized cells. And this mass of specialized cells, it is present in the right atrium. Can you see? It is present. This is the right atrium. So it is present in the right atrium near the opening of superior vena cava. This is superior vena cava. Yes. So it is present at the base of superior vena cava. Okay. Now, this SA node, it acts as a pacemaker of the heart. Now, why this SA node is called as pacemaker of the heart? Because it has the power of generating a new wave of contraction and making the pace of contraction. What does it mean? As I said, human heart is myogenic. That means it can generate its own electrical impulse. So this SA node, it does not need an external stimuli. Okay, external stimuli. Stimuli means what? Anything which generates. Okay, which what you can say, it allows to work. Okay, so stimuli it allows to act. Sorry. So this SA node it does not need any external stimuli. It has the power of generating a new wave of electrical impulse on its own. It can develop its own electrical impulse, and that is why it is called as the pacemaker of the heart. It can develop or it can generate its own electrical impulse. Okay, this SA node, it can develop its own electrical impulse, and that is why it is called as the pacemaker of the heart. So this was the first node, which is called as sinoatrial node. Now this sinoatrial node, it passes the contraction to the left ventricle and also to the atrioventricular node. As I said that the first node was sinoatrial node. Now the second tissue, okay, neuromuscular tissue, it is called as atrioventricular node. Now atrioventricular node, it is a mass of specialized cells. You can see it is also a mass of specialized tissue, and it is present in the wall of, you can see it is present in the right atrial wall. It is present in the right atrial wall. These are the atria, and it is present in the right atrial valve near the base of interatrial septum. Interatrial, this is the first atria, this is the second atria, and the wall or the division, this is the division. Okay, so this division is called as interatrial septum. So this AV node, where it is located or where it is situated near the wall. This is the wall, and this wall is called as interatrial septum. So it is situated near the wall of interatrial septum. So when the SA node, it generates electrical impulses, what happens? This electrical impulse, it then goes to the atrioventricular node. Now this atrioventricular node, it acts as a pace setter of the heart. Atrioventricular node or AV node, it is called as pace setter. SA node was called as pacemaker. Why pacemaker? Because it can generate its own electrical impulse. Whereas AV node, it is called as pace setter. Now why it is called as pace setter? Because this AV node, it serves as an electrical relay station. Okay, relay station means what? It collects the electrical impulse from the SA node and then it distributes to the bundle of His. You can see here, this part is the bundle of His. So why this AV node is called as pace setter? Because it acts as a relay station. Relay station means what? वो कलेक्ट भी करता है इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्स एंड जो इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्स कलेक्ट किया है इट देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट्स आल्सो. So it collects the information as well as distributes the information in the form of electrical impulse, and that is why this maintains this AV node. It passes down this electrical impulses to the bundle of His and also to the ventricles. That is why it is called as pace setter. Now next tissue is bundle of His, or it is also called as Tavara branches. Now bundle of His and Tavara, these were both scientists, and these both scientists, His and Tavara, these both scientists, they worked on the conducting system of heart, and that is why, and they discovered that from the AV node, the electrical impulses, they are given to the ventricles, okay, in the form of fibers. The electrical impulses are distributed into the ventricles in the form of Purkinje fibers, okay, or in the form of fibers. So these two scientists, they discovered this, and that is why the name is given to this fibers as bundle of His and Tavara branches. So first tissue was SA node, okay, which acts as a pacemaker. Second node was the atrioventricular node or AV node, which is called as pace setter. It acts as a relay station because it collects the electrical impulse and then also distributes to the ventricles. Next is bundle of His. You can see here bundle of His. Now bundle of His, you can see that bundle of His, this is the bundle of His. The AV node collects the bundle of His. Okay, from the bundle of His, branches starts from the AV node. What basically is bundle of His? Bundle from the bundle of His, from the AV node, bundle of the electrical impulse goes to the bundle of His, and from the bundle of His, it passes through the interventricular septum. The electrical impulse passes through the interventricular septum. This is one ventricle, this is another ventricle. So the wall between the septum means wall or division, you can say. Septum means division. So this electrical impulse passes through the interventricular septum. Okay. Now bundle of His forms two branches, the right and the left bundle. You can see bundle of His, it forms two branches. Can you see here? Two branches. So the left bundle and the right bundle branch. Left bundle branch and right bundle branch. Now these branches form network. These branches form network in the ventricular walls, and these are called as Purkinje fibers. You can see left bundle branch and the right bundle branch. They then distribute into, or they form network into the ventricles. We know these are the walls of ventricles. So in the walls of ventricles, what happens? This left bundle branch and right bundle branch, they form network. Okay, and these network, they are called as Purkinje fibers. Now Purkinje, why the name is given Purkinje? Because the name of the scientist was Purkinje, who discovered that the left bundle and the right bundle of his, they form fibers. So Purkinje scientist, the name of the scientist was Purkinje, who discovered this, and that is why the name is given Purkinje fibers. So that is why, and so this electrical impulses from bundle of his, it is then distributed into the network of Purkinje fibers, and that leads to the contraction. And as a result, what happens when this electrical impulses are, what you can say, distributed, this results in contraction of both the ventricles. As a result, both the ventricles contract simultaneously. So when both the ventricles, they receives electrical impulse, what is the result? Both the ventricles will contract simultaneously. And in this way, you can see how the auricles contract and later the ventricles contract because of the different tissues. Again, I'm repeating, okay? First, what happens? Sino-auricular. There are different conducting tissues we had studied, okay? So, the different conducting tissues are SA node, okay? That is sinoatrial node. Sinoatrial node is called as pacemaker because it has the capacity to generate its own electrical impulse. And because of this, the heartbeat is controlled. That is 70 to 72 times, okay? Generally in human beings, okay? So this pace of the heartbeat is maintained because of this sinoatrial node. So this is SA node. It generates electrical impulse. This electrical impulse, it is then sent to atrioventricular node. Atrioventricular node, it is present near the wall of interauricular septum. This atrioventricular node, it acts as a relay station. That means it collects the electrical impulse from the SA node, and also it distributes the electrical impulse to bundle of His. Bundle of His is again a muscular tissue. This bundle of His, it divides into left bundle branch and right bundle branch. So this electrical impulse is then given into two divisions, that is left bundle branch and right bundle branch. This electrical impulse then is then spread into, you can see the walls of the ventricles. The bundle of His, it gives out network of fibers. This network of fibers, they are called as Purkinje fibers. His and or Tawara, they were the two scientists who discovered this, and that is why the name is given bundle of His. So this, from the bundle of His, the network of fibers are given into the ventricles, basically into the walls of the ventricles. These fibers are called as Purkinje fibers. So this electrical impulses then goes into the Purkinje fibers, and when this Purkinje fibers carries the electrical impulses, what happens? This impulses spread, and as a result, what happens? Both the ventricles contract. So in this manner, both auricles also contract and ventricles also contract. So this brings about smooth cardiac conduction system. Okay. Now, as I said that, now where this all cells are present, these cells are all present in the myocardium of the heart. We had studied that the walls of the heart, it consists of three layers. Yes, it consists of three layers. Basically, pericardium, which was a protective layer, myocardium, which basically consists of cardiac muscles. Okay, and then last was endocardium. Okay, so here all cardiac muscles are present and they are responsible for conduction, for the contraction and relaxation, and that is also brought by this SA node, AV node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. So I hope you understood the smooth conduction or the cardiac conduction system of the heart. I stop my lecture here itself. Thank you.